Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to share with you the Not Just for Boys Kit Club October 2021 premium kit, and it is called Bliss. So let's dive right in. I haven't even looked at it, so I want to do that with you. So what I have is I have all of these pattern papers, and I also have the add-on paper pack, which I have not opened up. So we're going to crinkle just for a second. And let's see, I have the add-on paper pack to go with it, and I also have the add-on cardstock pack. So if you do like an extra pattern paper and you want cardstock that goes with your goodies, then you're gonna kind of have to follow along with me. And yeah, I could have done this before, but I literally just got this and wanted to share it with you. So, oh, and then in my second video, I will have the deluxe theme kit called Mary, and then my third video I will have all of the add-ons. Okay, so now we can really get to it. So our first sheet that you've been looking at, this is from Echo Park Paper Company, and it is a dots and stripes, and it is called Sky Blue because it is sky blue, everybody. So I guess I will have this side, and then I will have this side. Is it the same side? No, here we go. That makes more sense. So this is totally tone on tone. This has this sky blue with a little bit of white. Our next paper is very interesting. It is by Bo Bunny, Floral and Spice, and it is Floral Spice Owls. And it's got like this, it's like variegated peachy with burgundy through it. That is rather awesome. So let's see what the back side looks like. Oh my word. Look at the owls doing everything. These little guys need to be detail cut, fussy cut, whatever kind of cut you like to do the cut. Look at them. Oh, all right. Well, so far that's my favorite piece, except for the next one's amazing. Wow. Okay, this one's by Minte, and it is from the Harmony line. And does it have a name or is it just the product code? Yep, just a product code. Okay, product code MTHAR04, unless I have that wrong. I don't know. So it is a wood grain that's painted this nice, rich, variegated blue and then scuffed off. Oh, that is gorgeous. And here is our back side of it. So we've got these great blue leafy bits and flowers and gorgeous artwork. So pretty. This one right here with the owls still has me. The next one, this is gorgeous as well. It is from that Harmony collection. It's this HAR09, and this is clearly a cut apart. So I'm going to spend some time cutting it apart. Look at that camera right there. I love that. I love the suitcases for travel. We've got these great birds on here and all of these hanging things. Ooh, I have another, 3 cameras. Yay. I love my 3s. And then we have these leafy bits in 3s. So yeah, really great design on that for a cut apart. And then our back side of it is this gorgeous, it kind of looks like a stucco wall. So really great background. Our next piece is from Bo Bunny Stay a While, and it's called Stay a While Thankful. And it's kind of like this gorgeous herringbone blue, but this tone right here matches this piece absolutely beautifully. Next, the back side of it is a repeating circly pattern. We have different colors though. It's this brownish color. Well, that's kind of almost plummy, brownish, terracotta, and then it repeats on a background that looks like this. The next piece is from Bo Bunny Double Dot. So let's see what it's called. It is called Peaches and Cream Vintage. So it looks kind of like vintage wallpaper. Guys, by the way, it is pouring rain, doom and gloom outside, so I'm doing my best with the lighting in here. I have studio lighting, but it is gloomy out. So this gorgeous like apricot-y peach color. Apricot-y peach is apparently a color. And then the back side is a little bit even more distressed looking because it has these darker bits, but it has these polka dots. Very cool. And then our last piece, nope, not our last, second to the last piece of paper is very cool looking, by the way. It is, oh, no wonder. It's Heidi Swap Carefree and Morning Meadow. Once again, really great floral bits that you can detail cut out or use as a background. That is stunning. Ooh, am I going to have to squish them in? I got to squish them in a little bit. Okay, then the back side of this, ooh, this is cool. So is it called topography? What is it called when you have the view from above and it's measuring like depth and things? Don't know. Very, very cool. White background with smudgy polka dots with that mappy stuff. Guys, you guys always come up with a word for it. All right, and then finally we have Bow Bunny Bella Rosa shutters. And these are cool. So you can use these and cut them up. You can use them for layering, dimension, all that. There's even a little bit of text in there. And then the back side of that, oh, really great repeating. It's not a fleur-de-lis. Gosh, guys, it's nice repeating pattern. It's like an off-white background with a really nice pale gray. So very soft on the eyes. Okay, let's see. Our alpha is metallic. It's thickers and they're foil chipboard letter stickers. They are definitely a rose gold. Let's see, I always check my R's. Lots and lots and lots of uppercase and lowercase R's. Only a little bit of numbers, thank goodness. These are gorgeous. Then, ooh, we got a funny glare, but you can really see the color well. Let's see, our cut file is this really nice set of, I think these are oak leaves, with little bits. They're very pretty. We do have this really nice set of chipboard stickers for that Harmony collection. All kinds of words. We've got banner pieces. We've got really nice bold pieces if you like those for your titles. And we had some Minte cardboard stickers before. I like them because they're dimensional, but they're not like hunk and chunky dimensional cardboard. So it's definitely cardboard, not chipboard. So we have that. Then let's see, there's some really cool things. We've got these really cool wood buttons, and you guys know how Not Just for Boys has the cool no waste packaging. So let me show you. Oh, they're the same either way. So they're this gorgeous mid-tone wood. They're hollow. They're not heavy, or they feel hollow. I don't know. They're very cool. So a nice little package of buttons. We've got another package here that has a bunch of leaves. Ooh, okay, so they're paper. We have tons of them in here, by the way. And there's a light blue and then more of a slate blue. Both the blue colors definitely have a gray undertone going on. And then our little package of goodies right here. We have got a wood veneer dream catcher and then some metal dream catchers. Let me see, let me see. So here's our, oh, guys, that's pretty. Ooh, I got to figure out if I want to, how I want to use it. If I want to use it bare or if I want to go ahead and color it up. And then we have these dream catchers in this rosy gold color as well as this nice blue that will go with the kit. So that is the Not Just for Boys Kit Club kit for October. Did I say September before? I can't remember. October 2021, and it is called Bliss. Oh, before I forget, let me show you the cardstock add-on really quickly. I have, which I should have showed you. Let's see. We have this piece of basil in Stonewash, which goes beautifully with these leaves. I have this one that is called Bahama, a little bit more of a teal tone. Then I have vanilla, which is perfect, and then twig. Twig has long been one of my favorite colors. It's a perfect taupe tone. Okay, so this is an add-on, and I also have the add-on for my pattern paper kit here as well. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to pop up another video in a second for it's called Mary, and it is the deluxe theme kit. Hold on.